If you use hand sanitizer and think it's a safe way to cleanse your hands, think again. Apart from the known skin-drying effects of alcohol, which many store-bought varieties contain, did you know that the concentration of alcohol can be up to 95%? That's where the Nature Direct hand sanitizer is different. It's not only alcohol-free, but it also contains no triclosan or harmful parabens, meaning it's completely safe of toxic chemicals and won't dry out your skin. The Nature Direct hand sanitizer is absolutely safe for all ages and skin types. Created with organically sourced plant-based ingredients and essential oils that have been specifically selected for their antibacterial properties. It's perfect for kids constantly on the go. A small squirt of Nature Direct hand sanitizer quickly washes away grease, dirt and harmful germs after a sticky snack or a day at the park. Plus, the moisturising effects of pure essential oils, such as mint and eucalyptus, means it smells great too. Enjoy life on the go with the Nature Direct hand sanitizer. Nature Direct makes clean living easy.